Today, I will share tips for frying bamboo shoots. Bamboo shoots fried this way are crispy and refreshing, not bitter, and especially delicious. First, peel the bamboo shoots and cut them into small pieces with a knife. Don't cut them too thin or too thick. About the thickness of a 1 yuan coin is perfect. After cutting, put the pieces in a large bowl and add 2 spoons of salt. Many friends blanch bamboo shoots when frying them, but that method often results in a more pronounced, bitter taste. Instead, use salt to remove the water from the bamboo shoots, which also helps remove the bitterness. Mix well and marinate for 10 minutes. Next, prepare 2 yuan of 5-flavor meat. Cut it into thin slices with a knife. The thinner, the better. After cutting, place the meat on a plate for later use. Now prepare a handful of garlic and chop it into minced garlic. Chop the shallots into green onions and cut the red peppers into thin strips. After cutting, place them in a small bowl for later use. Then prepare some more minced garlic, cut it into small pieces and set it aside on a plate. Next, take a small bowl, crack 2 eggs into it, and stir with chopsticks until well mixed. Dear family, I've shared more than 100 home-cooked recipes on the main page, but I still haven't received your like and subscribe. After 10 minutes, the bamboo shoots should be well marinated. You'll notice that the bamboo shoots have become particularly soft. They won't break no matter how you fold them. Add some water and wash the bamboo shoots twice until the water runs clear. Drain and set aside on a plate. Heat a wok and pour in a little cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the pork belly and stir-fry. Pour a spoonful of cooking wine along the edge of the wok to remove the fishy smell. Then, add the chopped green onion, garlic, and red pepper. Stir-fry briefly, then add a little dark soy sauce and a little light soy sauce. Stir-fry evenly, then add the bamboo shoot. Season with salt, sugar, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and chicken essence. Stir-fry over high heat for 2 minutes. Add the garlic sprouts and stir-fry evenly. Then, it's ready to serve. Stir-fried bamboo shoots cooked this way are crispy and refreshing. Whether paired with wine or rice, they taste delicious. Plus, the bamboo shoots remain light in color, making the dish look very appetizing. The recipe is simple, so if you like it, give it a try at home.